My name is Harald. I'm the dog handler from Argus from Strengen Winter, and together with Ripocon we did it's like a joint adventure to find out good solutions for rappelling with the dog.
We had some time with the dog and we improvised a nice solution to rappel with the dog. You can do this here in an urban setting or probably also on the helicopter. Use some components, and I want to show you this setup right now. So what we did, we made a nice setup with a 90 centimeter sling. It's a tech web sling by Edelrid. We made some rubber here to secure it, so the stitching will not slide and will not change its position. And then what we can do, we thread this to the two loops on the dog's harness. So in the one on the back and one on the front. And then we have this carabiner. Sadly, it's not made anymore. Probably other carabiner, a twist lock or a Trilock with a captive would also work. And now we clip these two strands and the one loop in front. So with this is how the dog will be attached. And when we are on the ground, you can open this carabiner quite easy. Just slide out all loops and the dog is free to go. So this is an improvised quick detach function. So again, attaching it. And then for the operator, we have this. It's adjustable. You could also use a 30 centimeter sling, but having some adjustability can be a benefit. This comes in the lower loop, and this is where the dog handler will be placed. Then we use this camp swivel. It's also available in black. This rotates the Rappel device, so it's always nice placed and in the right direction. So let's just attach this on the rope. So see, here I'm hanging. I can place the dog on my laps. Of course, it's not my dog, so thanks for the dog. And with this I can rappel and it's always perfect. When I'm on the ground, just remove this. The dog is free to go, and I just have to remove that, and I'm also free to go. That's it.
So in my experience, and also with experience of the colleagues from different units, we never had a great option or a great device for rappelling with our dogs, and especially to get the dog fast out of the whole system. So together we were speaking about the solutions what I had, and we found out there is a better options, and these options.
Super. Yeah, thank you for coming.
Yeah, you're welcome.